Hello transformation, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you guys, I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this makeup look for Thanksgiving. Very simple, very easy. I'm going to show you how with these two eyeshadow palettes that I am the master with, I Envy. So I'm going to tell you guys which colors in each of these eyeshadow palettes that I did use. And if you do want to purchase these eyeshadow palettes, go to ivyusa.com and get yours today. I think they like $11.99, but I think they also are doing specials, discounts. Excuse me. So if you are very interested, stay tuned. Mix these two together, and I'm going to go in the crease like that. Thank you guys. And I'm going to go in with my nude eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to use like this pretty soft nude color. I'm going to use this color nude here. And I'm going to apply it right on top. So after I put the bare color here, I'm going to apply Excellent on top. And then I'm going to use my face paint to do my eyeliner because I'm out of eyeliner. So I'm going to be very creative. So I'm going to just get a thin brush. And I'm going to use some black here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my eyeliner, well, my eyelids as a guide. Fill it in, and then I'm work my way up. See, guys? So I'm just using my face paint. All right. New eyelash line. This is the Mink Impact Light, and this is number 10. Okay, so I'm going to start applying my favorite glue, which is the 3D adhesive lash glue. I'm going to apply some around the rim of my lash line. And then I'm going to fan it this way, and then I'm going to apply close to my lash line, and that's going to be about it. And then now if you want to clean up your eyeliner, all you gotta do is use some concealer. I'm using my Kiss Professional Warm Coconut 345. This is also by iEnvy as well. So I'm just gonna put some here, here, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure you go under there so you can have that nice lift. Bam, that's it. Now I'm gonna use my little sponge Now you can use setting spray, but I'm showing you guys, I'm not using it because this is a quick look for you guys if you want to do it, but please use setting spray so it can stay on. I'm going to go in with my sponge and blend it in, and you see how it blends right into my skin tone. And then I'm just going to go around my brow area. And then I'm going to also fill in my brows a little bit, not too much. That's it there. So this is how you get the look so far. And I'm going to show you guys the rest. So I'm going to use my Loverboy lipstick. I'm going to use Black Cherry. So this is how I achieve my Thanksgiving makeup look for you guys. I hope that you guys did enjoy it and that I did show you guys how to achieve this look step by step. And I did use 2 eyeshadow palettes for this look. I did use I Buy Me Rose by I Envy, and these are the colors. Beautiful colors. I used the light brown and this reddish brownish color here. And I used the Make Me Nude eyeshadow palette. And I also use Bare and Excellent. Those are the 2 colors that I use to achieve this beautiful look here. So if you guys are interested, please go to ivyusa.com. And these are the looks that I achieved with these 2 eyeshadow palettes. And they cost $11.99 to $99, but it's so worth it because you see it lasts a long, long time. So, and then the lipsticks that I did use in this video, I used the Even New York Glossy Stick. This is number 17. It's called Loverboy. And I used High Shine HD Lip Color. This is the Blackberry color. And this is number 14. So these are very affordable lipsticks. And this is how I achieve the look for Thanksgiving. So if you guys want to see more, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.